So welcome to my channel Tillman Graphics. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the image background in Photoshop. So this is our Photoshop which is open. So now I want to import a file into this Photoshop. So what I will do, I'll come to file, then I come to open. Then I can navigate to where my image or photo is on my computer. So I'm going to select this and then I press open. So when it opens, it will automatically load into that. That is our image. Now we want to change the background. So what I'm going to do before I do anything on this is to press Ctrl J to copy this layer. I'll press Ctrl J on my keyboard. That is for PC users. For people who are using, press Ctrl J to copy the layer. So now the layer is copied. This is the original layer, and then this one is the layer that we had before. So what I'm going to do now is we have already copied our layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to quick selection. So I'm going to use the quick selection tool. I'll click on it, then I say select subject. Then I allow Photoshop to automatically select the subject. So for you to check whether it has perfectly selected the subject, so you will press Q. So when you press Q, that is what happens. Q is able to show you. Let me zoom in so that we can see which other part is not selected. So now you see the part which is turned that color, it shows that it is not selected. So I'm going to again press Q to deselect it. I've realized that some part like this area here is not perfectly selected. I'm going to press Alt, then I drag my mouse through it like that. Even this side I'm going to press Alt like that. Here I'm going to keep pressing Alt. Unfortunately this one is so now let me press Q again. You see our image is now selected. I'm not going to perfectly select it. You can do it. Let me press Control and then minus to zoom out. So now here we have our image already selected. For me to now change the background color, I'm going to come to image. I'm going to come to this this part. I don't know whether you can see this. So I'm going to come here and then I choose solid color. So this will create a layer mask that will fill with the solid color. So now here I'm able to choose the color. Let me choose blue for now. I'm going to choose, we make it this gray. So here you can choose any color you want. So then I press OK. After pressing OK, now our image is the one that the color has filled. The color fill layer that we created has filled the image, but this is not what we want. So we want the background to be the one which is to be filled by this color, not the image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this I'm going to select our layer mask. After selecting it, I'll press Control I to invert, or you can come to image, then adjustments, then come to invert. So when I click on invert, you see our background, our background color has already changed. So that means invert has taken back the color to the background, not to cover the image. So at this point now, I have to change the blending mode. You see, this color is not matching with the, let me press Control and a plus to zoom in. So you see now, this background is not matching with the background that of the image that was there before. So let me press Control minus to zoom out. So I'm going to change the blending mode. I'll come to blending mode options here. Then I change the blending mode to, you see, as I'm moving through, navigating through these blending modes, our image is also changing. So I'm going to change for now. I'm going to use multiply. So I'll use multiply as our blending mode. So now my image background is changed. Please, thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe. This is how you can change the background of an image. You see, this image background is now changed, and this is how you can do it. Let me press this hand to fit into the screen. I double clicked on this hand tool to fit the image onto the screen. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and I say bye bye. Thank you. See you in my next video.